They say, life is not a destination, but a journey. In 1968, S.M. Kannappa's journey began with one factory in Bangalore, building 10 high-quality, customized luxury buses for a steadily growing Indian economy, becoming a Prakash Road Lines Group company in 1975. Supporting India's explosive growth over half a century, our organization grew to 3 factories and 1,500 employees across Karnataka, now producing over 1,400 buses annually. Our luxury product range has rapidly developed to include sleepers and vanity vans. As a result, there are over 20,000 Prakash buses on the road today, with clients ranging from government organizations, fleet operators, schools and colleges, original equipment manufacturers like Ashok Leyland, Tata, and Eicher, for both domestic and export, in the Honduras as well as Sri Lanka.
This industry being capital intensive, we are very focused on investing in the future.
Today, our skilled employees, using state-of-the-art equipment, continue to work seamlessly to meet and produce standardized and custom, high-quality transport needs for India's ever-growing commercial transport sector.
Most of the employees in the company have completed 25 years, including myself.
The management has given a full freedom to work, and environment also, it is not like other companies, and while going also we won't see the timings and all.
It is almost like a potluck every afternoon where each and every member who has lunch together brings food from home and we share all the lunch.
Our talented in-house research and development team starts with a client brief-based concept to design and develop new buses using CAD, CAM, and cutting-edge technology, taking time and care to ensure all requirements are met.
Presently, we are having more than 10 softwares in system, and there are more than 10 design executives are working.
Each engine and chassis unit is received at our facilities and taken for a design consistency assessment. Once the design is verified, a steel housing structure is MIG welded, assembled, and mounted onto each chassis.
From the very beginning, Prakash has always believed in the Make in India dream. We have been doing this for 50 years now. Most of our components are made in-house or sourced from vendors located all over India.
Our highly trained labor uses top-of-the-line CNC and laser equipment to precision cut panels to standard and custom shapes. Interiors are then installed according to the client's brief. The buses then go through fine electric painting and graphic detailing. To ensure consistency in production, there is a quality assessment at each stage of the manufacturing process, and every product goes through a final inspection and testing before delivery to the client. Our tireless quality team is constantly focused on building products to meet national safety standards. And the organization itself is ISO 9001-2015 certified. Our vast product range includes school buses, commercial transport buses, seaters and sleepers, and customized luxury vehicles such as vanity vans. In an increasingly energy-hungry age, we at Prakash strongly believe in sustainable development.
The group has a vision that we would like to be completely carbon neutral for all our energy needs by the year 2020.
And so, we have invested heavily in renewable energy to support our future growth. One factory is already solar powered. In 50 years, we at Prakash have moved from strength to strength, adding value to each of our products and to the industry. And we continue that legacy of improving upon safety standards, comfort, and luxury. And our journey continues as a pioneer in luxury bus body building.
I think we have an extremely fertile garden here, and the more you sow, the more you reap. And we are going to continue to sow and toil so that we can reap the benefits in the long run and ensure that passengers travel in safety and in comfort.
We are Prakash.
We are Prakash.
We are Prakash.
We are Prakash.